Today we will learn how to remove the cover set on your Cypress infant car seat. First, remove the canopy. Unhook the elastic loops. Press the button and lift on both sides. Remove the head pad. Next, flip the seat over to remove the harness straps from the yoke. Flip the seat back over to pull off the comfort pads. Open the chest clip and unbuckle the harness by pressing the red button in the center and sliding both harness tongues out of the buckle. Remove the buckle and belly pad. Detach the two elastic straps from the front of the shell and untuck the cover. Undo the elastic bands located on the belt guides. Repeat on each side. Pull out the tips of the plastic snaps securing the cover to the shell. Repeat on both sides. Undo the elastic from around the back of the seat. Pull the harness strap, buckle tongue, and chest clip through the hip anchor slot in the cover. Lastly, pull the seat cover and lift it away from the shell.